Welcome to another tool review. Here I've got a DeWalt DCS570N. Now, I bought this as a bare unit, no battery, no box, just as it comes. Comes with a 24 tough blade. It's 184 blade with a 16mm bore, and it's about 1.8 thickness blade. Weighs about 3 kilo, 3.6 kilo, so it's got a good, nice balanced weight to it. The main reason why I bought this is because I'm left-handed. I can see the blade on this side as I'm cutting. That is the main reason why I bought it. I've used this now a few times. I think it's absolutely brilliant. The main thing I like about it is that it's got a brake on there as well. So with some of the features, you've got your gauge here at the front, so you can loosen this off like so, and you can change the angle. And here, this goes all up to a 57-degree angle. And then you've got fixed notches, so 22.5, 45, 57, and then locks back off at 0. And all you do then is just lock it off there. There is a little grub screw in there as well, so if you find like it's not true to the degree, you can then higher or lower the grub screw just there. This here, so this is when you're changing the blade. As you spin it round, that'll lock in, so then that blade is now locked. The good thing is it comes with a spanner, which then slots in just here, and then obviously then you put that on there and change the blade. The other lever is just here. Again, lift that up, and then you can set the depth on there as well. And then once you're done, just lock it back off. Like I say, overall, and it's brushless, which is good. So I did also forget to say it does come with a parallel guide as well, which then that just slots in like so. You can set, it's got measurements on there, so you can set how far it is by lining up to your cut guide just there. So if I lock that off, and then you've got your tightening screw just here. And that locks it in place. So if you're doing long rips, you can set the measurement on there, lock it off, and then you can do a long rip, and that'll keep it parallel to that as well. If you're not using the parallel guide, just take it out. A bit like that. Now if you're just using, good little tip to have as well, is if you've got a speed square, then you can set your speed square onto there, and when you cut, you'd always get a square cut. Like so. And you put that up, you get a nice square cut. Really good about the brake. Stops really quick, which is good. Now I have also bought a Trend 40 tough blade as well. And like I say, to change it, take the battery out. You've got your spanner just there, take that out. Lock it by pushing that in, and then you get your spanner. And just release the nut, like so. pull back on that, and that'll just slide out. That's how easy it is to change. So when buying new blades, always make sure, because on here, and like this one as well, you've got arrows on the blade. So what you got to do is just make sure you buy the right blade. Take your glue off, and then put that round, pop that on there like so. Get your cover, put that back on, and your nut. Finger tighten it. Again, do it so it locks like so. And there you go. Just change the blade from a 24 to a 40 tough. The arrows are pointing the same way. So now if we get the battery, pop that in, it will still have the same brake mechanism. And if we wanted to do a cut, I tell you what, that was so much nicer doing a cut with a 40 tough than 24. If you're just ripping stud work and stuff like that, I think that'd be brilliant. But doing nicer, cleaner cuts, oh, that's got such a nicer cut. Remember, the more teeth, the more finer, cleaner cut you're going to have. If I wanted to do a 45 cut, get that, move it so it locks in. It's got like a little, you can feel it. And then, obviously now, you'll get a 45. And there, like so. You got a nice 45. Overall, I think that's a brilliant saw. Before I was using the Evolution. Me personally now, I think I'm going to keep that blade in. I think that's such a nicer blade to cut with. They do these on Amazon. I got mine from Toolstation. Same price, to be fair. Hope you found this useful. If you're thinking about buying one, I'd recommend it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll get back to you and I'll reply as quickly as I can. Yeah, thanks for watching, and see you on the next tool review.